What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the official standing cover with pen case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now this case is going to run you about $89.99 if you go over to Samsung.com and pick it up. But we're going to take a look at it today, and I'll give my opinion if I think it's worth that much. But here's a picture of it here, standing cover with pen. Case for your Z Fold 4. So I have the beige Z Fold 4, and I kind of like this color so far. It's kind of growing on me. I started to get a different color, but I didn't. So this case, you can get this in black. You can get it in sand, and you can also get this in gray green. So let's go ahead and get this cracked open and take a look at it. So the sand color is going to be the beige, I would assume, close to the same color. Now, I didn't want to get the same color as the phone. I thought that would be a little bit too much for me. So I wanted to break it up and maybe try a black case and match it up with this and see. So that is everything in the box. So let's check this first box out here, see what's in it. So this is going to be your S Pen and its case right there, and this has a little, look like a groove here. No, that's just the way it's made. It's flat, and this is your regular S Pen. Now, I still have the S Pen from my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So now I have two of them. You got that. You're gonna have the instructions manual here, and we're gonna have the case as well. So let's get this off. You also can get this little thing here. Let's get the front piece. Get this over to the side. It is raining so hard outside, guys. Sorry if you can hear that. So here's the front frame. You got your little tool here with some extra tips for your S Pen if you wear those out. I've never wore one of them out the whole time I've had a pen like that, even with my tablets. And then here's the case. So you got some Samsung branding here, kind of a unique design. This does have a kickstand, which I really like. Soft rubber material here, and then you got the inside of it here. I'm not sure what that is, but there it is. So let's go ahead and get it on the beige Z Fold 4. Kind of digging this color. I didn't know how I would feel about it. I didn't want to get the same color case as the phone, though. I knew that. So let's go ahead and get the front frame. Now it does have these little peely stickies here, so I guess I'll pull that off and put them on there. I don't really like using those. So let's go ahead and drop this on the front. So here's the case. on the phone, and I think this really looks nice on here, man. The black and gold representing my team, the Saints there. That looks really nice, man. I like this case on here. Fits pretty good as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let me wipe this display down. There we go. So here it is. You guys see there's a little bit of a lip if you have it open and want to lay it down on the front face there. Here's this side of it. You guys see, nice and open there, easy to get your fingers in there. The ports on the bottom, your charging port, it's great. You got your speaker there is open, your microphone lining up great. And then on this side, your microphones, speaker and everything. And not really recessed for your camera there. And then you got your kickstand here that you can use in landscape. Let's see if you can use it in portrait. You can also use it in portrait as well. There it is. And let's go ahead and check wireless charging. See if this will wireless charge. Bring my charging pad over. Wireless charging is capable with this case as well. So overall, I think this is a pretty nice case. I don't like the idea of the hinge being wide open like that. I do prefer a case that will cover it up. Now I do have this type of case here on my Z Fold 3. Now this case is big and bulky. A lot of people don't prefer this type, but I can also keep my S Pen in here just like that, and gives me ultimate protection for my device. So I prefer that type of case. This case is nice if you're gonna, for me, I'm always out and about, and if I drop it, I've dropped phones, forget them, they're on my lap in my truck, get out and there to go falling on the ground. So I like the most protection. It may add some bulk, but I really don't care. I'd rather have the protection than styling so much. You can wear this case every now and then right here. Now, if you don't want the kickstand on there, you can just pull this off and you can put your pen on here. So there's a little slot there, snaps in place pretty good, just like that. And then you won't be able to use wireless charger with that on there, but here it is. Now I do have a place where my fingers will help me hold the device right there. So here, this is how it looks on the back with the S Pen. Pretty neat looking. So let's get the S Pen out and see how it's in there. Pretty secure, guys, so it's not going to fall out very easy. So just like that, let's go in and see if we can create a note here. So notes, let's do a new note. Now I have two of these because I have the S Pen. I bought it for my Galaxy Z Fold 3 as well. So this is one of my favorite parts of this, having the S Pen. Pretty much the reason why I got rid of the S22 Ultra. But this is a little bit more compact and easy to carry around if you want your S Pen than what I have here on my Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now this case is not going to protect your hinge like that one. It's up to you what you want as far as protection, but I do prefer my hinge to be covered up. But anyway, this case is $89, 90 bucks. And if you need something like this where you can change out, have a kickstand one day and your S Pen the next day, or you can carry them both and just use them accordingly, then that's a go. I'm Will H. This is Will H Gadgets and More. I'm out.